Hi everyone, Alex here. Today we're going to do a little bit more on floors. We're going to start with the laundry tile floor. Then we're going to move into the bathroom tile floor. And finally we're going to jump into the living room gray tile floor. Hang in there, we're about to be done with floors. It's going to get better, a lot of fun. Let's get started. And remember, this video is part of our Revit multi-trade from 0 to 100 course. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now, because if not, you're going to be completely lost. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. Now let's create the two tile floors, one for the bathroom and one for the laundry. For that, we come here to floors under architectural. We go under floors. Then we can pick walls like we have been doing. And then we can select this wall. We flip because we want the inside. This wall, this wall, this wall, this wall. We flip because we want the inside. And this wall. And then we do our trimming, TR. This one's already done. This one's already done. From here to here. This one actually we want it flipped because it's this side that we want. And we trim from here to here, and we trim from here to here. Now right now we have 1-inch plywood, and we have nothing else that matches what we want. So what we can do is we can actually go with 1/2 inch. But now let's edit the type. Let's go ahead and duplicate this, and let's call it 1/2 inch laundry tile. Now let's edit our structure. And when I say 1/2 inch laundry tile or 1/2 inch finished wood floor, I'm talking about the totality of the floor. You know, you could include the wood plank underlayment and all that, but let's not get into that much detail. We're trying to keep this course short and efficient, and you already know how to do that anyway. So let's change the structure here. See if we can find anything ceramic. And here we have a porcelain tile that is 4 inches. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. And let's call it 12 inches. And let's see if we can find a pattern. There you go, 12 inch. So, okay. Okay. Okay, and now okay one more time. Now we should be ready to just click here on the check mark. And we don't want to cut the wall, so let's say no. We would actually just cut the tile, right? Now let's use the same floor for the bathroom. So let's create a new floor. We pick walls. This wall, this wall, this wall, and this wall. And then we trim from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. And just so that we have it available, let's duplicate this. And let's call it bathroom tile. And that way in the future, if we want to use a different pattern, we can do that. So let's click OK. And now we check OK. We definitely don't want to cut into the walls. Then we have another floor. It's a gray tile floor that is around this area. And that's 4 inches lower than our main wood floor. So let's go to floors. And this time I'm simply going to select a rectangle. And I'm going to come from here to here. And I'm going to duplicate the floor. And I'm going to call it lower gray tile. And for this one I'm going to go edit. And I'm going to edit the structure. And let's duplicate this one. And let's just call it 12-inch gray. We can always change this later. And then let's change the color to this gray here. And click OK. And click OK. And click OK. Now we can finish our floor. Let's go to a 3D view to see how this is going. So that's the laundry, that's the bathroom, and then here that's the gray floor. If you click on it, we need to make sure that the height offset from level, since we said it was going to be 4 inches lower than the wood floor, we have to make this minus 4 inches. And then this part of the house is actually slab on grade. It doesn't have a crawl space here. So let's go ahead and create the slab for here. And if we go to that AutoCAD section, what you'll see is this is the finished wood floor. Then 4 inches lower, you have that gray tile floor right here. Then you have a step down and then a larger step down into a green tile floor that is on this area right here. So let's go ahead and fill this up with concrete because that was a slab on grade, and then apply the finishes to the floor. Now make sure you visit BIMitUp.com. Over there you'll be able to log in if you already have login information, or if you want to become a member, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or with your email address. And once you're a member and you're logged in, you have access to a lot of good features. You can access your bookings from here, you can go to my programs, and even some free ones that I offer there. I'm running a little bit of a scholarship program here because I don't want money to be the reason why you cannot develop professionally. So these are all the programs that I'm a participant on, and these are the ones that I have completed. So go ahead and visit BIMitUp.com. Becoming a member is free, but I do not run ads in any of my stuff. So the creation of the content is made possible entirely from patrons and other contributions. So if you can, consider subscribing. I'll leave a link in the description of the video, and I'll see you soon.